What's going on? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. If you're watching this channel, that means you really want to learn how to play R&B, neo soul, and gospel on this guitar. So today we're going to focus in on a song by Brownstone, "If You Love Me." Really cool chord changes. It's kind of an older song, but again, I feel like it's great to add to your chord repertoire because it's really going to show you how. I'm really going to show you today how you can take these same chords, playing one position on the neck of the guitar and then also playing one in a different position if you want to play at a lower register. So this song is in the key of D major today. A really cool warm-up that you can use, that you can practice on even before you get started. You don't just have to do it in D, you can do it in any other key. All right, so let's focus in on this song. So we're playing a song in the key of D major. You want to go on that 4, that 3, that 6, then we're going to go down flat 5. That same chords that you're playing down here in this lower register, this higher register. 6, flat 5, you can go down here. So it's really important that you can take these same voicings down here. You can go chord for chord. That G major 7. The F sharp, I believe it's a major 9 or sus. I can't remember. That 6. That B minor. That A flat. So let's play along with the song so you can hear how the chords are placed. Okay, remember the name of the song is "If You Love Me." So we're gonna stop there right there. So you may or may not have heard this song before. It's more keyboard heavy, but let's just say you have to accompany a band, or if you have to play the song by yourself. I'm just giving you some ideas so that way you can learn how to stretch your chord vocabulary a little bit. So again, we're gonna go back to the groove, like when we're playing the rhythm. So what I'll do a lot of times when I'm playing, I may play the same chord twice in 2 different voicings. So you saw that I went to that 6, right? I did a minor 11, then I went to a 9. It's the same chord. I'm just voicing it different. So I don't find myself just kind of hanging on a chord. 2, 3, 4. You can do that if you want to, but it's just giving yourself different options so that way you're not finding yourself just kind of being stagnant in the groove, all right? So again, that rhythm. So you can think about blah 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 blah. That's kind of the rhythm that you can think about when you're playing these chords. So. Just an idea of how you can play the rhythm. Again, this song is "If You Love Me" by Brownstone.
Hi there, I'm Kerry, and thank you so much for watching this video. There's so much awesome content on this channel that's going to help you unlock the fretboard and play the way that you always wanted to play. So go ahead, click the subscription button and the bell right over here, and keep getting more awesome videos and the content that I'm going to post at least once a week. So thank you for watching, keep on practicing, and I'll see you soon.